Hello my YouTube fans. So I'm here with a new video, and in this video I will be tearing down a lithium-ion battery. So this is of Sarju brand, and yeah, it is a local brand. However, I have used it for like 2.5 years and it was working fine, and now it is not charging. So I thought for taking it out from my Redmi 3S Prime mobile phone. That's the old model of Redmi phone. And here we go. I'm peeling off the upper cover where brand name and those things are printed. Basically what these sellers are doing, what these small brands are doing, they are purchasing the battery from some manufacturer, maybe at China, and they are putting their own labels and selling it with their own brand name. So you can see the actual information printed on the battery. It is printed in the inner cover. So one more thing, what I'm noticing here, there is a small plastic bar inside the label. You can see it on the top of the battery. So these types of plastic bars are intentionally placed inside the battery just to increase the length and width of the battery so that it will get fixed properly inside the mobile phone. I mean the space provided for the battery in the particular model. So they are putting these spacers or the dummy plastic accordingly so that it will get matched with the particular space provided for the battery in particular handset or the cellular phone, you can say. So the upper label has been removed properly where the brand name was printed, and this is the original battery. Now we will tear this down. Let me make it fast forward. So this is the upper cover. You can see the internal part is white and external part is in black, where all the labels and logo of the company is printed. So now we will tear this down. So I thought for peeling it off, but I haven't found a way to peel it off, and hence I'm using this utility knife to cut this from the edge. And I feel like I'm cutting the metal, so I think it is a kind of aluminum coated with some plastic and very hard surface, very rugged surface. Guys, I would like to say one more thing. Do not do this at your home just by seeing my video. Using the sharp object to tear down or cutting off a battery cover is too dangerous, as battery may release the intense amount of toxic gases. In some case it may blast. So here in my case the battery is completely dead, and I took several other precautions to do this tear down. So the upper cover is made up of aluminium, as I told you. The inner part is aluminium coated with some very thin plastic film, and the other aluminium layer what you are seeing is the actual battery, and this is something pasted on the top of that layer as an electrode. I will show you where it is connected with, but first let me take this out. Let me make it fast forward to save the time. So you can see here a connection is soldered to the outer PCB, which is going inside the battery. Another connection got broken, but one is going inside the battery and one was connected to the outer part of the battery, which got damaged. So I'm trying to open this seat, I mean the battery part. So guys, I'm taking this out. It is some kind of a sticky tape. Let me cut it out. And here we go. That's it. So now I can go ahead and unwrap the complete battery. So the part which I am holding is one of the layer of a battery, and this is a non-conductive film, the white one, the white layer which you are seeing beneath this. So guys, this is actually an electrode which is made up of aluminum foil. So this aluminum foil is coated with dark material. This is the cathode. Depending upon the battery type, it could be lithium cobalt oxide, lithium iron phosphate, or other lithium based compound. The aluminum foil is connected to the positive terminal. So you can see this black material. So here I am unfolding the layers very precisely so that I can show you what are different kinds of layer exists here inside the battery. So guys, finally I have unfolded the layers, not in a proper manner, but some part as a partial part it has been unfolded. But what I want to show you is the shiny copper sheet you can see here is the anode current collector. That's coated with graphite, which is where the lithium ion gets stored when the battery is charged. So the copper itself is connected to the negative terminal. So the copper sheet what you are seeing here is connected to the negative terminal, which I have shown you in the PCB. So copper is used here because it is stable at low voltages, where aluminum would react with lithium and break down. So as I told you, the other part is aluminum foil. So that's why aluminum foil is being used as a cathode. As I have shown you earlier, while I have unfolded the battery in the beginning, so between the layer you also have seen a thin separator film soaked in electrolyte. This electrolyte allows lithium ions to move back and forth between the cathode and anode during the charging and discharging time. So now if you will look closely at some of these strains and greenish area, that's corrosion. When a battery is exposed to air and moisture, the electrolyte reacts with copper to form copper salts. That's why it looks greenish blue here. And aluminum doesn't corrode in the same way because it is having an aluminum oxide layer which automatically get developed when it is getting exposed with oxygen. So guys, you can see the layering of the battery will go as it is till the end. So basically you can say these sandwich layers are folded in a manner of a rectangle to form a battery. So let me make it fast forward to save the time. So guys, finally I have unfolded the complete battery, and you can see the sheet was this much long, and this is still a sandwich sheet of copper and aluminum coated with the black material which I have explained you previously. So this is how the sandwich layer has been created, and then that layer is getting folded in the form of rectangle to create battery. And aluminum is connected with the positive terminal, and copper sheet is connected with the negative terminal, and that's how the battery works. But guys, one important thing, cutting open batteries like this can be dangerous. The chemical inside are toxic, flammable and corrosive. If you try it yourself, make sure you handle it very carefully. But I won't suggest you to do something like this, cause it is really dangerous. So that's our teardown. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more science and tech exploration. See you in the next video. Keep rocking. Bye bye.